Hi, everybody. Welcome to this tutorial. I want to talk about creating a Facebook cover page because we're going to use that as we create the Facebook page. Okay, so I want you to go to Canva, and there are definitely other tools that you can use in order to do this. However, I would like to, for this particular presentation or tutorial, we're going to use Canva. Okay, it's fine if you don't have a pro account with Canva. If you have a free account, that's quite fine. But if you do have a pro account, it's gonna open you up to, other benefits, a new design, for example. So anyway, once you are in Canva, go to create a design, and then down here you will have different options, right? Look for Facebook. Look for Facebook cover page. Okay, so if it's not there, just type in Facebook cover. There you go, and it will load to you the dimension that you can use for Facebook. Okay, note though that there's a region that's visible, and there's a region that where you should start your, what do you call this, the margin. In this particular example, we're just going to use a template. Okay, so for example, you're selling you're a speaker, right? You want to project that you are a professional. And okay, give me a second. So what I'm doing here is really just to, it doesn't say anything. Okay, so let's look for a decent template here. Okay, and the reason why we want to use a template is because it's easier to edit, and you know what, they have nicely, I would say nicely done templates already. And here there's ones for what do you call this, there's ones for that's paid. Look here, here's a pro one. Let me just use a free template so that let's do that. Okay, so let's just use a free template, and here you can see that there are squares inside the photo, and these are actually something that you can edit. So for example, let's do a what do you call this, let's change the text. So once you double click that, okay, you just highlight this, you can actually delete that, right? And it's all editable, including this image right here. So you see that you can move that image. And what you can do, for example, if you want to keep that, that's fine. I suggest you change that, go to photos, and here you can have different photos that you need, and you can even use an uploaded photo. Okay, so let's use an uploaded photo here. Okay, right, let me just use one image. Okay, I'm thinking what image to use. Okay, so I'm gonna use my friend Jeff in here. Right, so when I drag that photo here, it immediately what do you call this, snap right in. The problem with this is that you can only see his chin, right? So what you need to do is double click that, and then now you can drag down. Yeah, nicely done. Jeff, look, he's looking good already with this, right? With this photo. You can also resize the photo, right? But let's do that instead. Let's resize it. Okay, there you go. The other thing that you can do is resize this, right? So it would look nice. And I want to match his tie right here with this so that it would look good. And look, already his photo is being dissected or analyzed or fragmented. So you can actually just change this so that it would match, for example, his tie. Okay, so that's just cool, really cool to have that in place. Okay, and so I changed my mind. Let's change this to this one right here. Oh, I actually want to do it like this, kind of very manly, very professionally done. And listen, you can also edit the element, right? There are elements here that you can utilize, and it's really for you to explore um, the different elements that you can use. Okay, so for example, here there are like backgrounds that you can utilize. Let me just try it out here, right? So if I want to, let me see if I can edit that. No, I just want to send it to back, so it would look as a nice background. Not gonna do that for now, but you know what I mean. Like, I just want to demonstrate that to you. And here, you can even use that, right? Is as a background. Okay. And usually position, by the way, you can control the background. And I just want to have that kind of effect, right? Um, Here's the other thing that's useful is when you use frames. So look at this, frames like this, right? You can even have let's see, right? You can even use this. Let's use this because though I don't like to do it for cover pages, but I just wanna illustrate that snap right in there. But I don't want to do that. It doesn't look professional. And then maybe this one right here. Okay. Anyway, let's not do frames for now. Okay. So and then what's gonna be so let's just say let's have smart money, right? Let's, I don't know why, but let's do that. Smart money, smart investor. Okay, can drag that out. Now I'm just illustrating here the different functionalities of Canva and how you can utilize that for your business. Okay, so definitely try and explore other other options that you can find here. So for example, like if you want this as a background, right? It's nice. Let's look, that looks really nice. And go to the back. And what I like to do is to drag that out. So now it becomes the background, right? So I want to get rid of this design now because I want to have that sleek background. Okay, there you go. And you know what? Let me just get rid of that. Sorry, changing my mind all the time. But let me put that back in. So as you can see, I'm deciding on the fly here. What's the design, and it's really just up to you guys to pick and choose and utilize the tools that you have that's available in Canva. And you know, so for some of you it takes a little bit of practice where to, like, what design to pick, what type, what I'm seeing another one here. Wait, sorry. I'm seeing another one here that looks really cool. Give me a second. Those are videos, by the way, and I don't like to embed videos here because that's not for our purpose. But if you are into that, if that's something that you like to, you think that would fit your branding, there, yeah, go for it. Okay. There. I don't know. I like the other one. Anyway, so smart investor, let's do this. Okay, and here what you'll do here is that there you go. Yep, let's give that a bit bigger. I'm wondering if we can change this to something else that's really cool. Oops, whoops, whoops. No, like this, like black, slick black. Okay, so that's it for now. Once you download this, it will ask you what format you can utilize. Different format. If you want, normally it defaults to PNG. If you have a moving, if you selected a moving design, it would default to MP4. So all you need to do is to click download, and that should take care of business right there. And so what we'll do in the next tutorial is to upload this inside your Facebook account, okay? Our Facebook page. Okay, so see you guys next tutorial. Bye-bye.